Hey guys, Matt here with Greensward. Another quick clip. So what I want to talk about today is a disease in Bermuda grass called spring dead spot. And looking at this turf now, it could be sitting here, but we're not going to see it until the spring. That's why it's called spring dead spot. So what happens is during the wintertime, under certain conditions, soil temperatures, moisture content, a disease will form on your Bermuda grass. The ugly about it is you're not going to see it until the springtime. It's going to show up in patches, kind of around the lawn in different areas. I fought this at the country club I used to work for, and it was crazy because, you know, in one area it would be there, and the next spring, the following spring, it wouldn't be there. So it's not really bound to any type of area, but it will move around. But the best thing that you can do is soil sample your Bermuda grass lawn in the late summer. Look for the right potassium and calcium ratios in the soil, and then you can put a fungicide on as another way to protect yourself from the spring dead spot. Again, it doesn't show up in the fall. It starts attacking in the fall, but you won't see the remnants until the grass turns dormant over January and February and December. And then when it starts to come out of dormancy is when the spots are going to show up. And they'll linger. They'll linger around even with fertility. So that's why you've got to attack it even when you don't see it in the fall. So anyways, it will move around, but we're talking about spring dead spot, fungicide in the fall, and make sure your calcium, potassium levels are up to speed. So just another way to keep it green in the springtime.